Oh yeah, we gotta do this, guys. Welcome to five. When the fair begins tomorrow. Let's, you know. So we see that tomorrow. So Bob talked about me getting therapy again tomorrow on his show. Why?